Welcome back to 2M2X, your weekly dose of innovation, sponsored by Informulate. If you haven't heard of ChatGPT yet, you need to get out more. This global phenomena broke all kinds of scaling and adoption records as it crossed 100 million users in the last 2 months, becoming the fastest growing consumer application in history. Now, AI has been with us for several decades in various forms: chatbots, machine learning, image recognition, social algorithms, voice assistants, and so on. But ChatGPT just upped the ante significantly. How? By not just finding content, but generating content. So anyone with the internet can write articles, code, RFPs, even poems and screenplays. So just about anything. I asked it to write a comedic monologue on weather in Orlando, and it did a pretty decent job. I then asked the same thing, but for Denver weather, and although there were some differences, including a reference to flying trash cans, I could see the pattern was similar. And they both ended with the exact same line: if you don't like the weather right now, wait 5 minutes. Super original, right? So would a professional comedian take a script from ChatGPT and just run with it? Not likely, and not today. But they can use it to crush writer's block. A friend of mine used ChatGPT to get a head start on writing RFPs. Another used it to write a WordPress plugin. It needed several edits, but it saved them several hours, which means massively increased productivity in anything content related, which means big disruptions for lawyers, writers of any kind, and yes, even coders and programmers, which means AI-enabled companies will outcompete non-AI-enabled companies, just like digital-first companies beat out digital laggards. Now, ChatGPT has some fine capabilities, but it's nowhere near the finished article. It's only GPT-3, and with the adoption rate the way we've seen, this will be a very, very different place when GPT-5, 6, and 7 drop. So if you want to know how to become a ChatGPT expert, join me for episode 84, and I will see you next week.